Hi everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. For today's recipe, I've partnered with Smithfield to bring you an easy and delicious dinner dish that's going to be perfect for the holiday season. I'll be making my maple glaze, sweet potato, and golden rotisserie pork casserole. We're also going to add some peppers and onions in there, finish off the dish with some goat cheese and pomegranate, and let me tell you guys, every single bite is bursting with the most amazing fall flavor. This is going to be perfect for all those holiday dinner get-togethers or even on a busy weeknight. If you're looking for an incredible dish, this is the one to make. Let's get things started with the vegetables. Today I'll be using 3 to 4 large sweet potatoes, 2 bell peppers, you can use any color that you would like, and 2 shallots. Just grab a peeler and peel the sweet potatoes. And then grab a sharp knife and carefully cube the sweet potatoes into smaller pieces. And I'll place these into a large bowl and then chop the sweet bell peppers as well. And then slice the shallots. And now onto the star ingredient of our dish, our marinated fresh pork tenderloin. And today I'll be using Smithfield's slow roasted golden rotisserie marinated fresh pork tenderloin. And I love to use Smithfield marinated fresh pork, especially around the holiday season. All the prep work is already done for me, so I could roast, saute, or slow cook the pork and enjoy more time with my family and friends. Just remove the pork tenderloin out of the packaging, grab a sharp knife, and then I'm going to slice the pork tenderloin into smaller pieces, and cutting it into smaller pieces will allow it to cook much faster. And this slow roasted golden rotisserie seasoning is going to be perfect for this dish. Smithfield marinated fresh pork is available in an assortment of mouth-watering flavors such as roasted garlic and herb, applewood smoked bacon, sweet teriyaki, and slow smoked mesquite. Next, it's time to season everything. I'm going to pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of herbe de Provence, and this is a mix of thyme, rosemary, and lavender, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then grab 2 large spatulas, or you can also use your hands, and toss this all together. And then transfer everything into a large baking dish. And then cover the pan with foil. And covering the pan with foil traps steam on the inside, which cooks the pork tenderloin and the sweet potato much faster. So I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to bake with the foil on for 20 minutes, and then take the foil off, continue baking for another 10 minutes until that sweet potato is fork tender. I just took this out of the oven and it smells so good. You guys are going to love the aroma of this dish. Just going to transfer it into a casserole dish. And layer the sweet potato and pork tenderloin with a few handfuls of pomegranate. And sprinkle on some goat cheese. And then if you'd like to finish the casserole off with a bright pop of green color, add some chopped parsley on top. And if you'd like an extra touch of sweetness, feel free to pour some more maple syrup over the top. Time to dig in and enjoy, and I like to add some extra pomegranate and goat cheese on top of my dish. Oh, this looks so, so delicious. I love all these colors. This casserole looks, smells, and tastes like the ultimate fall holiday dish. It is packed with so much incredible flavor. I love the sweetness from the maple syrup and the sweet potatoes, and then you have that juicy, flavorful pork tenderloin, which adds so much incredible flavor, and I love the addition of the goat cheese and the pomegranate. It just really takes this dish to a whole new level. If you're looking for the ultimate holiday recipe that's easy, delicious, and quick to make. Head on down into the video description box to get the full recipe, and make sure to check out smithfield.com for more recipes and inspiration. Hope you guys enjoy this dish during the holiday season, and I'll see you next time.